I'm Luke Gibson with Farm Fence Solutions and Protek Machinery, and we're here in the Protek Machinery USA fabrication shop to give you a little bit of a tour of how the FP150 is built and assembled. So here we've got a couple of pallets of packs of pieces that we'll show you the table that we cut those all on, but they're cut and prepped and ready to weld. The welding all happens here on the couple of tables behind us. So here we've got a custom blue machine, and then this custom red is to match the Florida State Seminoles. We've got custom orders on both of them. Powder coat is the only thing that we don't do in-house. Of course, we buy our hydraulic cylinders, but everything else is cut, welded, and assembled here. We make our own hoses in-house. But the powder coat goes out. We've got a local company that does that for us, so we're able to do custom colors on a fairly fast turnaround. This is a couple of machines that are ready to go to powder coat, so they've been welded. Everything gets dry ice blasted before it's powder coated, so it's got a nice clean start. Then it's primered and powder coated, so it's a really high quality job that's done. There's a custom fire pit. We cut quite a few of those too, any kind of custom metal work we do in here. So if you've got something else that you need made, we're happy to cut it for you. So this is the CNC table where we cut all of our parts. We've just finished a batch there, so can't show you the machine in action today, but that's where everything's cut, and then we prep on the next table and weld on the following table.